Hello everybody, here we are at the Moscow Python Conference, and here's Tin Marković, and he will now say something about himself.
Hello everybody, I am Tin Marković. I come from many countries, originally from Bosnia and Herzegovina, but now I live in Czech Republic, and I work there for Kiwi.com, a travel agency that works with technological approach to travel.
What was your talk about today?
My talk was about refactoring Python code, some design patterns and approaches, how to make code that was written in haste in a startup environment to come and mature to be usable in a proper corporate structure.
When did you last time made a look for the code you wrote a couple of years ago? What do you think about it? Was it refactored as required, or now you will refactor it in a better way?
Generally, I don't recognize my code after a couple of months, much less after a couple of years, but I tend to think that it's easier to replace, and my main thing when writing code is making it easy to replace. And I've seen it replaced in quite a bit of places, so we're growing, and that's good.
Perfect. And what do you think about the, let's imagine the general Python code in the GitHub. What do you think, or what quality will it have?
Generally, Python code is very messy because a lot of people can write Python, but a lot of people shouldn't really write Python. Generally, there are many easy approaches that are often incorrect approaches, and that's costing the overall code quality a lot.
Thank you. And what will be your advice for the beginners? How should they start to work with the code?
The easiest approach isn't often the best approach, so research a bit, Google a bit, see previous solutions to your problem that actually can be iterated on later. Don't take the first easiest way.
Thank you very much. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.